Imagine driving your Honda Civic down the highway at 70 miles an hour. Everything feels fine until it starts raining. You hit a puddle and suddenly the car pulls to the side. You grip the steering wheel, heart pounding. That scary moment, it often comes down to one thing most drivers overlook: your tires. Tires don't seem like a big deal until they fail. Cheap ones might save you money today, but what about safety, control, and performance? Today we're breaking down what really separates cheap tires from quality ones and why that difference can matter more than you think. Let's count it down from number 10 to number 1. 10. Grip and traction, the invisible difference you feel. Let's talk about something you don't really see, but you definitely feel: traction. Imagine you're taking a turn in your Toyota Camry on a rainy day. With quality tires, you hug the curve. The car stays stable. But with cheap tires, that same turn might feel like a slide. That's because quality tires use premium rubber compounds that adapt to the road, grip better, and stay flexible in different temperatures. Cheaper tires often use lower-grade rubber that stiffens up in the cold and loses its grip when wet. This leads to longer stopping distances, less control in emergencies, and a higher chance of losing traction when it matters most. 9. Tread design isn't just decoration. The tread pattern on your tires might seem like a minor detail, but it plays a massive role in how your car handles different road conditions. If you drive something like a Subaru Outback and often find yourself on wet highways or snowy back roads, tread design becomes one of the most important parts of your safety and control. High-quality tires are made with carefully engineered tread patterns that serve a specific purpose. The grooves and channels are designed to push water away from the contact patch, which helps your tires stay connected to the road. This reduces the risk of hydroplaning and improves traction, especially in the rain or snow. Some tread patterns are even built to reduce noise and improve fuel efficiency. Cheap tires, however, usually come with basic or outdated tread designs that don't perform well in real-world driving. They might look fine at first glance, but their poor design leads to faster wear, less grip, and trouble when the roads get slippery. You'll notice more sliding, less steering response, and overall less confidence while driving. That's why tread design isn't just about looks, it's about staying in control. 8. Braking distance can mean everything. Here's a stat that can blow your mind. The difference in braking distance between a cheap tire and a quality one can be the length of a full car or more. Let's say you're in your Ford Explorer and someone cuts you off. You slam the brakes. With quality tires, you stop just in time. With cheap ones, you might hit the car in front of you. That's because good tires grip harder and respond faster during emergency braking. Cheap tires, especially those with worn-out rubber or poor tread, simply can't stop as quickly. In a real-world situation, that gap can be the difference between a close call and a real accident. 7. Ride comfort and noise. Ever driven a Nissan Altima on the highway and thought, why is it so noisy in here? A lot of times, that's the tires talking. Quality tires are built with materials and construction that reduce road noise. They absorb small bumps, smooth out vibrations, and give you that quiet, comfortable ride we all appreciate, especially on long trips. Cheap tires, on the other hand, can make your ride feel rough and loud. They often lack proper noise-reducing features and tend to transmit every bump straight into the cabin. Over time, it gets annoying and makes even a short commute feel like a chore. 6. Handling and cornering stability. If you've ever driven a Mazda 3 through tight city corners or winding back roads, you know how important good handling feels. Quality tires respond better to steering input. They grip better during corners and keep the car stable so you feel more connected to the road. Cheap tires can feel loose or floaty when you turn. They may not have the sidewall strength or tread design to hold the road tightly. This not only affects performance, but also reduces your confidence behind the wheel. And if you like to enjoy your drive, that lack of control really kills the vibe. 5. Tire longevity and how long they last. Let's talk about value. You might think buying a cheaper tire saves money, but if it only lasts 25,000 miles, while a quality tire lasts 60,000 miles, are you really saving anything? If you're putting tires on your Honda Accord, do you want to replace them every couple of years or get the most out of them? High-quality tires are made with better rubber, stronger construction, and undergo more quality testing. That means they wear down more evenly and last longer. Cheap tires might wear unevenly, develop cracks, or lose performance after just a short while. So you end up spending more in the long run because you replace them more often. 4. Fuel efficiency you didn't know was affected. Did you know that tires can change how much fuel your car burns? If you're driving something like a Toyota Prius or any fuel-efficient car, tire choice actually plays a big role. Quality tires are designed with low rolling resistance. That means they require less energy to roll forward, and that translates to better fuel economy. Cheap tires are usually heavier, made with low-quality materials, and aren't optimized for rolling resistance. So your engine has to work harder to move your car, and that burns more fuel. It might not seem like a big deal, but over a year or two, that's real money at the gas pump. 3. Heat resistance and blowout risk. Let's say you're in your Jeep Grand Cherokee on a summer road trip. It's hot, you've got the AC cranked, and the asphalt feels like it's on fire. Your tires are dealing with a lot of heat. Quality tires are built to resist high temperatures. They're tested to handle long drives, high speeds, and heavy loads without breaking down. Cheap tires, not so much. They're more prone to overheating, which weakens the rubber and increases the risk of a blowout. And if you've ever had a tire blow out at highway speeds, you know how scary and dangerous that is. The few dollars you saved at the store suddenly feel pretty useless when you're stuck on the shoulder. 2. Warranty and customer support. This one might surprise you. Quality tires usually come with solid warranties. Some brands even offer road hazard protection, free replacement under certain conditions, or guaranteed mileage warranties. If something goes wrong, they've got your back. Cheap tires, they often come with little to no support, no warranty, no mileage guarantee, and no real backup if something goes wrong. You're completely on your own. So if one of those tires fails early, you're paying again, out of pocket, and that adds up quickly. 1. Overall safety and peace of mind. Now we're at number 1, and it's really the most important thing of all, safety. Whether you're driving your family around in a Honda CR-V or commuting solo in your Hyundai Elantra, your tires are the only part of your car that actually touches the road. Everything else, brakes, traction control, even your steering, depends on how well your tires can do their job. Cheap tires increase your risk of losing control, taking longer to stop, and failing under pressure. Quality tires might cost more up front, but they give you peace of mind every time you get behind the wheel. And when it comes to safety, that peace of mind is priceless. So next time you're shopping for tires, remember, it's not just about the price tag. It's about what you're really paying for. Better control, longer life, more comfort, and most importantly, safety. If this video helped clear things up, give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone who's thinking about changing their tires. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple car advice that actually makes a difference. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.